How to get more points on Shein. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. There are some of the proven and effective methods to get yourself some points off your Shein account. So firstly, make sure that you constantly check in into your Shein account. Even though you do not purchase an item off your Shein, you have to do a daily check-in, which will also benefit you with some of the bonus point. Regarding your purchases, you will receive 1 point for every dollar spent, which means more shopping for you and more points for your Shein account. Did you know by writing reviews as well, you'll be receiving some of the points? Yes, you can write detailed and helpful product reviews to receive points as well. It could be a positive or a negative review, however, your bonus points will be definitely positive. Shein often organizes contests here and there. By participating in those contests and tuning in into Shein live broadcast, you may also earn some of the point and participate in giveaways. If your email is not verified yet, make sure you do so as well because there are some of the hidden bonus points that you can receive. So these are some of the methods by which you'll be able to earn more points on Shein. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.